So, good morning. It is about 10 minutes to 7 in the morning, and it's been raining for about 30 minutes. And this is our path for the motorcycles and for the car. And just wanted to show you what it looks like after a little bit of rain. Now granted, oh, big old frog jumping down there. Now granted, it's been raining really hard for about half an hour. But, yeah. Good for the crops though, very good. But man, is it just pouring down. It's raining like a cow pissing on a flat rock. This is life in the Philippines, the wet edition. So, pretty cool, huh? It's just a short little video. Like and subscribe if you can. Thanks.